Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Cash App to your Robinhood. So it is very easy and quick process, so make sure you watch this video till the end. Now to link your Cash App and Robinhood, what you can do is that you can link them with their respective debit cards. So first let me show you how you can link your Robinhood debit card to your Cash App. So first open up your Robinhood app and then click on this card section from the bottom of your screen. Then you will be able to see your card details. If you haven't applied for your cash card or debit card, you can apply by clicking on this join waitlist button. And once you have your card, you can simply open up your Cash App and then click on profile icon. From here, click on link banks option. Then on the screen, click on link debit card or credit card option. Then simply enter your Robinhood card number, expiration date, CVV and zip code, and then click on link card. And once your card has been added, you can simply go to your home page of your Cash App and then click on add money, and then simply choose the amount how much you want to add, and you have to choose the Robinhood debit card as your payment method, and your money will be transferred from your Robinhood to your Cash App. Now if you want to link your Cash App card to your Robinhood, you can also do that. So follow this step. First open up your Robinhood app and then click on profile icon. Then from here, click on this three-line menu from the top of your screen. Now from this menu, click on transfers. On the screen, you have to scroll down and you will find this section link accounts. And under this section, you have to click on this add account button. Then from here, you have to select debit card. And then you just have to enter your Cash App card details, card number, expiration date and CVV, and click on continue. And once your card has been added, you can go back to the transfer page and then click on this transfer money and add money from your Cash App card to your Robinhood. So that is how you can link your Cash App to your Robinhood. I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.